Yogi Surajnath Guru Budhnath Ji with Gorakh Sabadis. Sabdi number 38. घटी घटी गोरख फिरे निरोता, को घट जागे को घट सूता। घटी घटी गोरख घटी घटी मीन, आपा परिचय गुरुमुखी चिन्ह. Translation by Bhagwan Nath and Yogi Surajnath. Gorakh moves silently in everybody. In one he is awake, in another asleep. Gorakh is in everybody, Machindra is in everybody. Knowing yourself, being aware of yourself is the mark of the Guru's word. Some explanation in both Hindi and English. Like the last Sabdi 37, this is a continuation of the same Sabdi, same sense. Sabdi नंबर 37 की ही आगे की ये गति है. Sabdi नंबर 38 उसी संज्ञान में. तो आखिरी जो बात है इस शब्दी की, आपा परिचय गुरुमुखी चिन्ह. गोरखनाथ जी कहते हैं कि हर घट में गोरख है, हर घट में मछिंद्र है, मगर गोरख मछिंद्र का होना किस तरह से उजागर होता है? गोरख मछिंद्र का होना मतलब गुरु तत्व का होना. तो वो आपा परिचय, अपने आप को जानते रहने से, और अपने आप को जानते रहना मतलब कोई कल्पना विलास नहीं, विचार की भूत भविष्य गति की बात नहीं. यथाभूत सदर्शन, दर्शनी होना, सो भाव पौना, गति के प्रति चेतन होना, कुशलता के साथ यथाभूत भाव पौना, जीवन गति के प्रति अपने भीतर चेतन होना, सो आपा परिचय, अपने आप से परिचित होते, वही गुरुमुखी होने की बात है. ये सबसे महत्वपूर्ण संदेश गोरखनाथ जी यहाँ देते हैं. सारी शब्दियों का संज्ञान ऐसा ही है. तो गोरख बोधि के कारण गोरख हुआ, पार हुआ. उसके गुरु मच्छिंद्र नाथ जी भी बोधि के कारण, ब्रह्म अग्नि डिवाइन फायर पन्या के कारण, प्रज्ञा के कारण अपने आप को अवधूनन करते हुए अवधूत बने, पार हुए. गोरख मच्छिंद्र ये अवधू पथ है, अवधूत है, ये अवधूतों का पथ है. सो अवधूनन महत्वपूर्ण है. आपा परिचय गुरुमुखी चिन्ह संज्ञान को समझते हुए इसमें गुरुमुखी शब्द हम समझते हैं. गुरुमुखी और मनमुखी, यह शब्द, दो शब्द प्रयोग साधु एवं साधक जगत में प्रसिद्ध है. गुरुमुखी और मनमुखी. मनमुखी का मतलब है विचारगामी, और गुरुमुखी से मतलब है ध्यानगामी, वर्तमानता, दर्शनी होना, यथाभूत सदर्शनी होना, सतदर्शी होना. आसति सत भाव पौना, भाव पौना के प्रति चेतनता, मतलब आसति सत यही गुरु है, जिसे अलग संज्ञान के साथ, अनित्य बोध के साथ देखा जाता है. मतलब चैतसिकतः दृष्टा दृश्य भाव पौना गति का सहज बारीकी से दर्शन किया जाता है, जो सतत बदलती है, अनित्य है. और इसी में हमारे आंतरिक जीवन में ध्यान का गहराना है, जो दैनंदिन जीवन में सहज जीते हुए नींद में भी गतिमान होता है. मनमुखी आदमी विचार व काल में जीता है, विश्वास, संकल्पना, मान्यताओं में चिपका रहता है. वह कोई किताबें या व्यक्ति तथा अपने विचारों पर निर्भर होता है. गुरुमुखी से स्वतंत्र व शून्य व्यक्ति का निर्देश है, जो ध्यान व समझ से जीता है, समझ व ध्यान से जीता है, ध्यान ज्ञान से जीता है. So some explanation in English. In the Sabdi, it is said that Gorakh is moving in everybody silently. So Machindra is also moving in everybody silently. Machindranath is the Guru of Gorakhnath. So Machindranath is accepted as Dada Guru, Grand Guru in the school of Nath Siddha school in the Bhej Bhagwan. So, however, that Gorakh is moving in everybody, Machindranath is moving in everybody. It simply means that whoever is awake whoever is aware of what is happening in the body, knowing yourself is the mark of the Guru's word or the Guru's teaching, being Gurumukhi. And knowing yourself, knowing to oneself means being aware of these feelings, sensations, vibrations, sounds, whatever we feel through sense organs. We feel life through sense organs in the body, and when we are aware of in the form of feeling, sensation that we feel, we feel life through the sense organs in the form of sensations, feelings, vibrations, sounds, feeling, sensations basically. And when we are aware of feeling, sensations with skill and diligence within the body mind, we are aware of life. Otherwise we are in time, in past and future, in thought and time, thought and desire, in past and future, maybe speeded time, slowed time, or suspended time, as in samadhi, but in time. Presence of the mind, being aware of feeling, sensations as it is, as they are happening, with the alak sense, with freedom from the known, with anitya bodh, that everything is changing. That way, we are aware in the present, we are living life as it is. So this is emptiness, the very living emptiness, not emptiness as an idea, not emptiness of the suspension of thought as in samadhi, but very living emptiness, being while being awake and alert and awake, aware towards the movement of life through within the body and mind. So that way, knowing yourself is the mark of the Guru's word or Guru's teaching, or being Gurumukhi. In the Sadhu's word, Gurumukhi and Manamukhi are well-known expressions in the word of sadhus and sadhakas, of seekers, in the word of seekers. Manamukhi means being thought-oriented, and Gurumukhi means meditation-oriented. Tattva or truth as it is the Guru. Tattva or truth as it is means feeling, sensation that we feel every moment to moment is the Guru, which is being observed with the alak sense, with freedom from the known by knowing its place and limit, with the anitya bodh, that is insight into the fact of life, that everything is changing, nothing is permanent. So Tattva or truth as it is Guru, is the Guru, which is being observed with the alak sense. Here we have and the anitya bodh. Here we have the flowering and deepening of meditation in our interior life of feeling, sensations, movements, vibrations, bhav, pavana, which is reflected in our daily living. When we live the way of by meditation, it reflects with compassion, with affection, with virtue in our daily life living. Manamukhi lives in thought and time, in beliefs, in ideas and ideologies. It depends on books or persons, and one's own thinking. Gurumukhi indicates a free and sane person who lives by meditation and understanding, by jatasat, by meditation and virtue. Gorakh Sabdi, the sayings of Gorakhnath, one of the timeless spiritual treasures of humanity. Let's keep intelligence awake. इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. Subscribe this channel. Take this right, pure water, pure air to the people. This wisdom of spirituality, of the Siddha Buddha sense. Take this to people, to very many people. Ralak.